It's another cold one today. -6. You know it's cold when you get in the car and your leftover drink is frozen. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I think day 5 in Toronto, Canada now. We are heading to Rouge Urban National Park, I believe it is. So hopefully a little bit of scenery today. Go for a nice walk round and then we are going to go for dinner. But yeah, I guess without further ado, we'll just head on to that Urban National Park. So we're here at Rouge Urban National Park, I believe it's called. Park the car just kind of at the side of a road. It does say no parking, but that is only between May and September, which obviously we're in March now, so we should be fine. But it does actually look quite nice here. Down there it's just like a huge road. I think there's like a trail, goes over a hill and then to somewhere else. I think there's some kind of river here or reservoir, I'm not too sure, but yeah, we're gonna have a walk around and see what's here anyway. Rouge Valley Conservation Centre, and that looks like a very old house, but I don't think it is, and that's fairly recent, that's been put there. Okay, so right now we're just walking down this small trail and we've just seen a sign that said there may be bears in this area, and if you see a bear, please call this number. But I'm pretty sure that there is, depending on which kind of bear that you see, there is different things that you should do. I'm sure if like you see one type of bear, you should just, you know, stand still and don't move. I'm sure if you see another type of bear, you should kind of just walk away slowly. And I'm sure if you see another type of bear, you should just get the hell out of there. So yeah, I guess we'll kind of make up our mind if and when, you know, we do see a bear. I don't think we will, because we're literally just outside of Toronto. We're not exactly in the Rockies, are we? So yeah, I don't imagine we will see one, but yeah, pretty worrying to see that warning. Okay, so just walking through this wooded area, let me just notice this pile of rubbish here. It's literally a car. No idea which type of car. Maybe someone may notice this tail light, but yeah, how did this car get here? I mean, it's pretty rusty, I know, but yeah, how did it just get here and how is it crushed? Strange. So we made it to the observation deck. Look at this for a view. Okay, so we came back to the car. I don't know if you can tell, my face is really red. It's honestly so numb. It still says it's -6, but when the wind hit, it feels like about -20. And I've got a decent amount of layers on. We've got, I don't know, probably 4 layers on or so, but just for our face, you don't really have any sort of protection. I've been having my hood up, but I desperately need to purchase a hat and like a full face snood or something, because it's so cold on your face. Yeah, back in the warm now, got the heated seats on. I think we're gonna spend a little bit of time just sitting here deciding what we're gonna do for the rest of the day, and then we'll get on. Chipotle again. Okay, so it's night time now, and I haven't actually updated you guys in quite a while, but we're actually going to eat again. We'll get inside, we're going to the Cheesecake Factory again because we absolutely love that place. And then I'll let you guys kind of know what we've been up to for the past few hours. Let's go eat now. Okay then guys, so Cheesecake Factory done. Had the usual ribeye steak, mashed potato, green beans. I literally have it every time we go there because it's one of those, you know it's always going to be good. There's no risk involved and you're going to enjoy it, you know. Am I ever going to go there and try something new? I don't know if I am. Because I do love those ribeye steaks. But yeah, enough of that. What have we been doing since you saw us before when we went to Chipotle to get lunch? So we did head back to the hotel. Then I think we got ready, or you got ready. No, I got ready because I actually went for a massage. So back home, like in the UK, I usually have a massage every like couple of weeks because obviously I go to the gym. I lift. Yes, I lift. I go to the gym. I like to have a massage every couple of weeks just to keep me knot free. That's like muscle knot free, and you know, keep me feeling agile and whatever else. But yeah, I thought I'd just treat myself and have a massage while I'm here. I had a Swedish massage, and to be honest, it wasn't that great. It was supposed to be at like a Thai massage place, and apparently the woman that had done it, she was only working from home, and I was like, okay, that's fine, no worries. So I had to go to her house, and yeah, it really wasn't that great. She didn't go deep enough. It was relaxing, I will say that, but she didn't, you know, do my legs nowhere near as much. She just spent the majority of the time doing my back and my head. She was spending a lot of time like massaging my head, which it was, like I said, it was relaxing, but I wish she would have spent more time actually doing my legs, which is what's needed because they are very, very tight at the moment. But yeah, it is what it is. I need, you know, for future reference, I need to make sure that I specify that, you know, I want you to spend a good amount of time doing my legs, basically. But yeah, then I headed back to the hotel. We got ready. Girlfriend's looking amazing. We went to Cheesecake Factory because this is, no, it's not the last full day, is it? The last full day is tomorrow. Yeah. Which is your birthday. Only like an hour away now. But yeah, we thought we'd you know, have a nice meal out, and now we're heading back, and we got some cheesecake to take away as well. Oreo cheesecake. Don't know if I'm going to eat that now, might eat it tomorrow. You've probably switched off at this point and you're really not that bothered, but yeah, I don't know. We're heading back, and we'll wrap the video up there. Okay then guys, so obviously back at the hotel now. I'm gonna go to sleep because yeah, need an early night. Got a long day tomorrow, heading to Niagara Falls. It's a girlfriend's birthday as well, so yeah, pretty full on day. Hopefully you have enjoyed another day in Canada. It's been fun. Please give this video a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you have not already done so. Oh, and if you're wondering what these glasses are, they are blue light blocking glasses. They do help to wear before you go to sleep. They help you get a better sleep. See you guys in the next one. Peace.